Доброе утро всем, радиостанция «Это Максимум», это утреннее шоу Кремова и Хрусталева, отсюда и аж до 11 часов утра.
День, которого вы так ждали, к которому так тщательно готовились.
This is the clock upon the wall. This is the story of us all. This is the first sound of a newborn child before he starts to crawl. This is the war that's never won. This is a soldier and his gun. This is the mother waiting by the phone, praying for her son. Pictures of you, pictures of me, hung upon your wall for the world to see. Pictures of you, pictures of me, remind us all of what we used to be. There is a drug that cures it all, blocked by the governmental war. We are the scientists inside the lab, just waiting for the call. This earthquake weather has got me shaking inside. I'm high up and dry. Pictures of you, pictures of me, hung upon your wall for the world to see. Pictures of you, pictures of me, remind us all of what we used to be.
Most as you'll ever go is back where you used to go. If grown-ups could laugh this slow, whereas you watch the hours snow, years may go by. Years may go by. So hold on to your special friend. Here you'll need something to keep her in. Now you stay inside this foolish grin. Though any day your secret's in, but then again years may go by. Years may go by. You saved your own special friend, 'cause here you need something to hide her in, and you stay inside that foolish grin. When every day now secrets in, and then again years may go by. Years may go by.